Alright, this is Charlie and Daisy. As far as I know, Daisy has never eaten lettuce before. Charlie hasn't either. And surprisingly, well, I guess that piece isn't gonna get eaten now. Put in eggs, hard-boiled eggs. Nice looking salad. I think I might have one later. And the rest of the egg. Charlie likes tearing them up. And the yolk. Let's back up, see if they go back at it. There he goes. Daisy has a habit of climbing into her food. See, the strange thing is Charlie really likes eggs, and he's not really going after his eggs and only eating lettuce. I guess I will let them eat. Say bye, Charlie.